Hello students, myself am Krishnamurthy, working as a mathematics lecturer at Government PU College, Udupi. Today's class, we discuss 9th chapter in our NCERT textbook, Sequences and Series. We often hear the statements, a sequence of events. A cricket test series between India and England, or a 2020 cricket series between India and Australia, a series of tests before annual examination. In all these sentences, the word sequence and series are used in the same sense. They are used to succession of events arranged in some order. In mathematics, they have a special technical meaning. The word sequence is used as same that of our ordinary English. That means the set of things in order. The word series used in a different sense. Sequence is a arrangement of numbers. According to some particular rule. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಲನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಥರ ರೂಲನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ there is a generation gap of 30 years. Generation gap 30 years. We have to find the number of ancestors, that is parents, grandparents, great grandparents, etc. That person might over 300 years. Since generation gap 30 years, we have to find the number of ancestors that person might have over 300 years. Here, number of generation 300 by 30, that is equal to 10. The number of persons, ancestors in the first generation, person father idare, mother idare. 2. Number of ancestors here 2 in the first generation. Second generation, father's father, father's mother, mother's father, mother's father, mother's mother. So in the second generation, 4 members. Like in third generation, father's father, mother, mother's father, mother, mother, father's father, mother's mother, mother's father, mother's mother. Totally 8 members. Correct? Next generation, fourth generation alli 16 members. Next fifth generation 32 double ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Sixth generation alli 64. Next 128. Next 256. Next 512. Next 1024. 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9 10 in the 10 generations. 2 4 8 16 32 64 128 256 512 1024. These numbers form a sequence. Here we arrange the set of numbers in some rule. ಏನು ಯಾವ ರೂಲನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಇರೋದು 4 ಆಯಿತು, 4 ಇರೋದು 8 ಆಯಿತು, 8 ಇರೋದು 16 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Consider the successive quotients that we obtained in the division of 10 by 3 at different steps of division. We divide 10 by 3. 10 by 3, 3 times 9, remainder 1. In the first step, we got the quotient 3. Then here I take point, here 0, 10 by 3, once again 3 times 9, remainder 1. So next step 3.3. Then I take 0 here, 10 by 3, 3 times 9, quotient, remainder 1. So in this step we got the quotient 3.33. Next step 3.333. Next step 3.333. These numbers also form a sequence. 3, 3.3, 3.33, 3.33, 3.3333. Here we arrange the numbers in some particular rule. ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ಬರೋದು 3.33333. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ arrangement of numbers in some particular rule. Next, terms of a sequence. The various number occurring in a sequence are called its terms. The various numbers occurring in a sequence are called its term. In the first example, sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. In the second sequence, 3, 3.3, 3.33, 3.333, like that. Here various number occurring in a sequence are called its terms. These numbers 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 are called terms of a sequence. Here 2 is the first term of the sequence, 4 is the second term of the sequence, 8 is the third term of the sequence, 16 is the fourth term of the sequence, 32 is the fifth term of the sequence, like that. In the second example, 3 is the first term, 3.3 is the second term, 3.33 is the third term. The terms of the sequence are denoted by A1, A2, A3, A4, like that. Or in some textbook write it as T1, term T2, T3, T4, like that. In our textbook we use A1, A2, A3, A4. Here subscript denote the position of the term. A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 third term. Here it is the A1, 2 is the A1, 4 is the A2, 8 is the A3, third term of the sequence. The nth term is the number at the nth position of the sequence. The nth term is the number at the nth position of the sequence, and it is denoted by An. A1 first term, A2 second term, An nth term. It is the number at the nth position. Number at the nth position of the sequence. It is also called general term. General term. In the first example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, the nth term ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು 2 power n, nth term an equal to here 2 power n. First term take n equal to 1, 2 power 1, 2. Second term take n equal to 2, take n equal to 2, 2 square 4. Third term take n equal to 3, 2 power 3, 8. Here nth term here 2 power n. Nth term is called general term of the sequence. Now, definition of a sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain is the set of natural number n or some subsets of it of the type 1, 2, 3, 4 up to k. In second chapter, relations and function, we already know what is a function. Second chapter alli function andre enu anta nimge bandide. What is a function? Function is a relation. Function is a relation in which every element of domain is related with the unique element of codomain. Suppose f is a relation from A to B, then each element of A, each and every element of A is related with the unique element of B. Then such a relation is called a function. Here sequence is also function. It is a function whose domain is the set of all the natural number n or some subsets of it of the type 1, 2, 3, 4 up to k. In the first example, here I take the domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Range 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1024. 1 related with 2 here. That means first term here 2, second term 4, third term 8, fourth term 16, fifth term 32. Like that, 10th term 1024. In the second example, domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, range 3, 3.3, 3.33, 3.333 like that. First term 3, second term 3.3, third term 3.33, fourth term 3.3333. So it is a function. Here this relation is also function. Therefore, sequence is a function whose domain is the set of natural numbers n or some subsets of it of the type 1, 2, 3, 4 up to k. That means it is a finite subset of the natural number, but subset starting from 1. I take first example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. What is the next term? 12. Next term 14. Next term 16. Nth term here, an, nth term denoted as an, that is equal to 2n. I take n equal to 1 first term, take n for the first term I take n equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2. For the second term I take n equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4. For the third term I take n equal to 3, 2 into 3, 6. For the fourth term I take n equal to 4, 2 into 4, 8. So general term here, general term can be written as an equal to 2n. Next example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is the next number? 64. Next number 128. This is also sequence. Here nth term can be written as an equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. For the first term take n equal to 1, 2 power 1, that is 2. For the second term take n equal to 2, 2 power 2, 4. For the third term take n equal to 3, 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. For the sixth term a6, that is 2 power 6, that is equal to 64. Sixth term 64. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term 64. Next example, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 square, 3 by 3 cube, 4 by 3 power 4, 5 by 3 power 5, 6 by 3 power 6. Here nth term can be written as n by 3 power n. n by 3 power n. One special sequence here, first term 1, second term 1, third term 2, fourth term 3, next term 5. It is one of the special sequence. It is called Fibonacci sequence. Here first term and second term I take it as 1 and 1. Third term is the sum of previous two terms. Fourth term is the sum of previous two, 1 plus 2, 3. Fifth term is the sum of third and fourth term, 2 plus 3, 5. Next term 3 plus 5, 8. Next term 5 plus 8, 13. Next term 8 plus 13, that is 21. It is one of the special sequence. It is called Fibonacci sequence. Here first term and second terms are 1. Third term is the sum of first and second. Fourth term is the sum of second term and the third term. Fifth term is the sum of third term and fourth term. Generally nth term equal to an minus 2 plus an minus 1. That means nth term is this sum of previous two terms. This is one of the special sequence. It is called Fibonacci sequence. Another note for you. All these sequence need not always have an explicit formula for nth term. In the example 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, nth term here an equal to 2n. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube like that, nth term can be written as 1 by 3 power n. Now I take a sequence of prime numbers. See, first prime, what is a prime number? An integer p greater than 1. An integer p greater than 1 is called a prime number if it is not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. An integer p greater than 1 is called a prime number if it is not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. Therefore, prime numbers 2, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3 only, 5, 7, 11. Is it a sequence? Yes, it is a sequence. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We can write next term. What is the next term? 13. What is the next term? 17. What is the next term? 19. Like that. It is a sequence. But we can't express nth term by an explicit formula. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ nth ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ 2, 4, 6, 8 ಇದೆ. nth ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು 2n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1/3, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1/3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1/3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, nth ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು 1/3 ಪವರ್ n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು nth ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾದರೆ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Now, finite and infinite sequences. A sequence containing a finite number of terms is called finite sequence. Example 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 64. It is a finite sequence. Such a sequences are called finite sequences. A sequence containing infinite number of terms is called a infinite sequence. Here 1/3, 1/3 square, 1/3 cube, dash is a infinite sequence. Here 3, 3.33, 3.33, 3.333, so on. This is also a infinite sequence. It contains infinite number of terms. Now series. Let A1, A2, A3, A4, An be the given sequence, then the expression A1 plus A2 plus A3 so on An so on is called a series associated with the given sequence. A1, A2, A3, A4, it is the sequence. Then A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus An plus, it is called a series associated with the given sequence. The series A1, A2, A3 up to An is written as summation k is running from 1 to n ak. Here this one, summation. It is a Greek word, it is sigma, sigma. For the summation we use sigma, k running from 1 to n, a k. The series is finite or infinite according as the given sequence is finite or infinite. Suppose the sequence is finite, then associated series also finite. Suppose sequence is infinite, then associated series also infinite. Series finite or infinite, it depends upon the sequence. Let us discuss some simple problems. They may ask 1 mark for the annual examination. Write the first 3 terms in each of the following sequences defined by the following. First problem, an equal to 2n plus 5. Here nth term or general term is given 2n plus 5. We have to find the first 3 terms of the sequences. First term, take n equal to 1. Take n equal to 1, then a1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Take n equal to 2, take n equal to 2, then second term 2 into 2 plus 5, that is equal to 9. Take n equal to 3, then 2 into 3 plus 5, that is equal to 11. Therefore, first 3 terms of this sequence are 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. The first 3 terms are 7, 9, 11. Next problem, second one, an equal to n minus 3 by 4. Here nth term is given for us, general term is given n minus 3 by 4. We have to find the first 3 terms. For the first term, take n equal to 1. Take n equal to 1. First term a1 equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Second term, for the second term, take n equal to 2, a2 equal to 2 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. For the third term, take n equal to 3. n equal to 3, a3 equal to 3 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 0. Therefore, first 3 terms are minus 1 by 2, it is first term, minus 1 by 4 and 0. Second problem, find the 20th term of the sequence defined by an equal to n minus 1 into 2 minus n into 3 plus n. Here general term is given an equal to n minus 1, 2 minus n, 3 plus n. We have to find the 20th term of the sequence. For the 20th term, take n equal to 20. A20, 20th term, A20 equal to 20 minus 1, that is equal to 19. 2 minus 20, minus 18, 3 plus n, 3 into 20, 23 equal to minus 7866. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ an be defined as follows. A1 equal to 1. First term is given. First term here 1. An nth term equal to an minus 1 plus 2. Nth term equal to its previous term plus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2. Find the first 5 terms and write the corresponding series. Here first term a1 given a1 equal to 1. Nth term equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2. We have to find the first 5 terms. First term is already given. A1 is 1. A2 that is equal to A1 plus 2. That is equal to A1 is already 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. That is equal to 3. Third term A3. A2 plus 2. Previous term plus 2. A2 here 3. 3 plus 2. That is equal to 5. A4 that is equal to its previous term A3 plus 2 that is equal to 5 plus 2 that is 7. A5 that is equal to A4 plus 2 that is 7 plus 2 9. Therefore first 5 terms are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Therefore, corresponding series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus dash. That is the corresponding series for this sequence. Exercise. Write the first 5 terms of each of the following sequences whose nth term are first one an nth term general term equal to n into n plus 2. Here nth term is given. We have to find the first 5 terms. First term a1 equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 that is 3 that is equal to 3. Second term a2 equal to n into n plus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 that is 4 that is equal to 8. Third term a3 equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 5 that is equal to 15. Fourth term n into n plus 2 4 into 4 plus 2 that is equal to 4 into 6 that is 24. Fifth term that is equal to 5 into 5 plus 2 7 5 into 7 35. Therefore first 5 terms are 3 8 15 24 35. Next one, nth term is given an equal to n divided by n plus 1. n divided by n plus 1. Find the first 5 terms. Simple problem. First one a1 equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 2. Second one a2 equal to 2 by 2 plus 1 3. A3 equal to 3 by 3 plus 1, 4. A4 equal to 4 by 5. A5 equal to 5 by 6. Therefore, first 5 terms are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. Next one, nth term equal to an, nth term an equal to 2 power n. I write directly, first 5 terms are, first 1, take n equal to 1. A1 equal to 2 power 1, that is 2. Second term, take n equal to 2, 2 square, that is 4. For the third term, take n equal to 3, 2 power 3, that is 8. Take n equal to 4 for the fourth term, 2 power 4, 16. And for the fifth term, take n equal to 5, 2 power 5, 32. Next, similar problems. Fourth one, nth term here given, 2n minus 3 by 6. We have to find the 5 terms, take n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will do fifth one, nth term an equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1. First term, take n equal to 1, minus 1 power 1 minus 1 0, 5 power 1 plus 1 2, that is equal to minus 1 power 0 plus 1 x power 0 equal to 1, 2 power 0 that is equal to 1, minus 1 power 0 that is also equal to 1, 5 square that is 25. Second term a2 equal to minus 1 power 1 n minus 1. Here I take n equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 1 into 5 power 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 1 power 1, minus 1 power odd number, that is minus. Minus 1 power odd number, that is minus 5 power 3, 5 power 2, 25, 5 power 3, 125. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. A3 that is equal to minus 1 power 3 minus 1, 2, 5 power 3 plus 1, that is 4. 5 power 4, that is equal to minus 1 power 2, minus 1 power even number, that is plus, minus 1 power odd number, that is minus, minus 1 power even number plus 5 power 4, that is 625. 625. 5 per A4, fourth term of the sequence, that is minus 1 power 4 minus 1, 3, 5 power 5, minus 1 power odd number, minus 625 into 5, that is equal to 3125. Fifth term A5 equal to minus 1 power 5 minus 1, 4, 5 power n plus 1, 6. Minus 1 now, minus 1 power even number plus 5 power 6. That means 3125 into 5. That is equal to 15,000 625. Therefore, first 5 terms are 25 minus 125 plus 625 minus 3125 and 15,625. Sixth problem, an equal to n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. Similar problem, you do it. Second problem, find the indicated terms in each of the following sequences whose nth term are, first one, an equal to 4n minus 3. We have to find 17th term and 24th term. First, A17. For the 17th term, take n equal to 17 here. 4 into 17 minus 3, that is equal to 65. A24, that is equal to 4 into 24 minus 3. 4 into 24, 96 minus 3, that is equal to 93. Therefore, 17th term 65 and 24th term is 93. Next one, general term an equal to n square divided by 2 power n. Here we have to find 7th term. Second problem, an equal to n square by 2 power n. Seventh term equal to 7 square by 2 power 7. That is equal to 7 square 49 by 2 power 7 128. When 128. Next one, an equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n cube. An equal to, third problem, nth term, general term equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n cube. Here, ninth term is required. Therefore, take n equal to 9 minus 1 power n minus 1. N minus 1 means here 9 minus 1, that is 8 into 9 power 3. 9 power 3, that is equal to minus 1 power 8. Minus 1 power even number, therefore plus 9 power 3, that is 729. 729. Next one, fourth one, an equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. Here we have to find the 20th term. A20 equal to, take n equal to 20 n minus 2. 20 minus 2, that is 18 by n plus 3, 23. That is equal to 18 into 2, 36. 36 0 by 23. 23. 360 divided by 23. That's enough. Next problem. Write the first 5 terms of each of the following sequences and obtain the corresponding series. Find first 5 terms of the sequence and obtain the corresponding series. First problem, first term is given a1 equal to 3, an equal to 3 into n minus 1, n minus 1th term plus 2 for all n greater than 1. It is given. Here we have to find first 5 terms. First term is already 3, a1 equal to 3, a2 equal to 3 into an minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 first term. For the second term, previous term is first term, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. Third term, that is equal to 3 into its previous term, 11 plus 2, that is equal to 3 into 11, 33 plus 2, 35. Fourth term, 3 into 35 plus 2. 3 into 35, 105 plus 2, 107. Fifth term, that is equal to 3 into 107 plus 2, that is equal to 323. Therefore, first 5 terms are 3, 11, 35, 107, 323 and corresponding series. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೀರೀಸು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323 plus that is the corresponding series. Second one, a1 first term equal to minus 1 and nth term an equal to an minus 1, its previous term, by n for n greater than or equal to 2. For n greater than or equal to 2, nth term equal to its previous term divided by n and first term here minus 1. We have to find first 5 terms of this sequence and corresponding series. First term is minus 1, second term equal to first term by n here 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Third term a3 equal to a2 second term by 3, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 by 3, that is equal to minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 2 by 3, I write 3 by 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Reciprocal multiplication, that is equal to minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 into 3, 6, minus 1 by 6. Fourth term, a4, that is equal to its previous term 3 divided by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 6. Third term minus 1 by 6 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 24. Last one, fifth term, that is equal to its previous term a4 by 5, that is equal to minus 1 by 24 by 5, that is equal to minus 1 5 into 24, 120. Therefore, first 5 terms are minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 24 and minus 1 by 120. And corresponding series minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24 plus minus 1 by 120 plus dash dash dash. It is the corresponding series. Next problem, the Fibonacci sequence is defined by 1 equal to A1 equal to A2 and AN equal to AN minus 1 plus AN minus 2. General term AN equal to sum of the previous two terms for n greater than 2. Find AN plus 1, n plus 1th term by AN, nth term. N plus 1th term divided by nth term for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ವರೆಗೆ ಬೇಕು n 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 6th ಟರ್ಮ್ ವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, 6th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದೆನ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಎನ್, ಎ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1, second term is also 1, third term that is sum of previous two, a1 plus a2 that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Fourth term that is equal to third term plus second term that is equal to 3. Fifth term that is the sum of previous two, a4 plus a3, 3 plus 2, 5. A6 that is equal to A5 plus A4 that is equal to 8. Therefore, ಅದು ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು 2, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 2 plus 3, 5, next term 3 plus 5, 8. For n equal to 1, an plus 1 by an that is equal to a2 by a1 that is equal to 1. For n equal to 2, an plus 1 by an that is equal to a3 by a2 that is equal to a3 here 2, a2 1, 2 by 1 2. For n equal to 3, an plus 1 by an that is equal to a4 by a3 that is equal to 3 by 2. For n equal to 4, a5 by a4 that is equal to 5 by 3. For n equal to 5, a6 by a5 that is equal to 8 by 5.